मना सज्जना भक्ती पंथेची जावे, तरी श्रीहरी पाविजेतो स्वभावे. जनी निंद्यते सर्व सोडोनि द्यावे, जनी वंद्यते सर्व भावे करावे. Hello viewers, I am Apurva Barve, Certified Stress Management Counselor. Thank you for joining me in my journey in decoding Manache Shlok, in understanding their impact on mental well-being. Manache Shlok is a collection of 205 verses composed by Samartha Ramdas in the 17th century. Today, we are going to discuss Shlok number 2. Mana Sajjana Bhakti Panthechi Jave. Samartha Ramdas begins this verse on a clever note. Right at the onset, he calls the mind Sajjan, which means righteous. A righteous mind would always choose to do what is right. It will stick to the path of bhakti, devotion. By cajoling one's mind this way, we are setting the tone for acceptance. Only when your mind is ready to listen to your intellect, you will be able to mold it in a better way. Tari Shri Hari Pavijeto Swabhave. Choosing to do what is right is difficult, but still, by being on the path of devotion, bhakti, we will meet Shri Hari. Call it Lord Ram, call it the ultimate happiness, call it the achievement of your goals. Swabhave means natural. We are born pious, and Samartha Ramdas reminds us of this virtue. Jani nindyate sarva sodoni dyave. Nindya means disgraceful, something that is looked down upon. Jani means public. Let go of everything that is looked down upon by the society. This is a challenging thing to do, but it is certainly not impossible. Once your mind is empty of its negativity, once you have cleansed it completely, fill it with things that earn you respect, that are socially acceptable. Jani vandyate sarva bhave karave. Vandya means revered, respected. Bhave karave means doing something wholeheartedly. Devote yourself to the cause of doing things that create a positive impact on the society and on your life. This is the path prescribed by Samartha Ramdas in achieving a positive, happy, focused existence. This brings us to the end of Shlok 2. In order to appreciate and support this initiative, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in order to be with me on this journey, please click on the bell icon below to be notified of all the new videos that I post here on this channel. Thank you so much.